Second. There we go. Hey Ian, how are you, mate? Are you well?
I'm recovering from man flu, but otherwise good.
Oh yeah, it's going around at the moment. It's cooled down a bit.
Yeah.
So, look, I just thought I'd take you through this really quickly today. Quite simple, quite streamline these. So this is all set up, ready to go. Okay, working fine. What we'll do, there'll be a chat function and also Q&As coming through. My question to you would be, would you like me to kind of direct those questions to you, or would you like to open that and kind of answer them as you feel appropriate?
Oh, look, I'd be happy for you to moderate.
Okay, no worries. And have you got an actual presentation today?
Yeah, I actually thought I'd sent that through, but...
Oh, okay, sorry. No, I haven't seen that. Kylie's dad's been had 2 strokes last week, so she's in hospital again this morning while they're doing some tests, so
that's awful.
A little bit crazy. But if you have your PowerPoint's open on your computer now, you'll see a little green box with an arrow saying share screen. Yep. So if you click share screen.
I'm just opening the PowerPoint. Okay.